Having a project car will never be easy, guys. I need the best product for our beloved cars. That's why I choose Shell. It cleans the engine to keep it in tip-top shape. It restores up to 100% of engine performance, and it cleans up to 100% of vital engine parts. With a boost of 3 times more cleaning and protection molecules, the fuel actively cleans by targeting gunk in fuel inlets, intake valves, and fuel injectors, effectively preventing future buildups on these very important components. It is performance that I really feel, and something that shows that your fuel choice can make a difference. You can feel the fuel with ShellVPower. Shell stations are not just for quick fill-up, guys. When you're at the station, you have the option to have your car serviced at the Shell Service Center. I get to also be part of Shell's Elite Loyalty Program, thanks to ShellVPower. Fill up every month with 60 liters of ShellVPower and become a Shell Go Plus Elite member. Elite members get 500 Shell Go Plus points when a member qualifies for the first time. Also get points 10 times faster with ShellVPower fuels, and 1,000 Shell Go Plus points for a minimum purchase of participating Shell lubricants. It's not just about the points that give members access to exclusive Shell merchandise. Being a Shell Go Plus Elite member even gets you access to airport lounges. ShellVPower is Shell's best performance fuel that allows me to drive with power and confidence. Now I can feel the Shell difference.